I'm Dr. David Hill, and today we're going to talk about how to get rid of the flu bug. The most important thing to understand about influenza is the best thing is not to get the flu bug. Influenza viruses, on average, hospitalize over 200,000 Americans every year and kill upwards of 30,000. That's 30,000 fatalities due to a single virus. If that's not a public health emergency, I don't know what is. So if you can get a flu vaccine, please do. They are safe, they are effective, and they can keep you or a loved one from getting hospitalized or even dying. That said, some people, even people who do get the flu vaccine, still go on to contract influenza. So what are you going to do then? Well, unfortunately, there's not a whole lot that you can do outside of medication. Now, there are about 4 medications available that can treat influenza, but they all need to be started very early in the disease course, preferably in the first 48 hours. Which medicine to use depends on which kind of flu you have and when you get the flu, because the flu virus changes from year to year. Some years, some medicines work. Other years, it's other medicines. So you want to go to the Centers for Disease Control website or talk to your doctor to figure out what medicine is going to be best for your influenza. Also, you're going to want to figure out if you really have influenza. There are many viruses that present with influenza-like symptoms. Some years, the rapid test that we have to identify influenza is very accurate. Other years, your doctor is going to have to make a guess based on symptoms because the influenza test may not be that accurate. Why would it change? Again, the influenza virus changes from season to season and year to year. So it's ever changing, which means the rules that we apply to treating it have to be flexible as well. Now, we do know that a few things can help you get over an illness faster. The simplest really is getting enough sleep. Being sleep deprived reduces your immune function. Likewise, anxiety and stress really do decrease your immune function. So, I know it's hard to get rid of anxiety and stress in modern life, but if you can think of a way to de-stress yourself, maybe you have a relaxation technique, maybe yoga, try that, because I think it will help. Keep well hydrated. Influenza can cause dehydration through vomiting and diarrhea. You want to make sure not to get behind on your fluid intake. Finally, if you have symptoms that suggest a worse disease, influenza, for example, can cause very severe pneumonia, you want to seek care. So if you're having a high fever greater than 104 degrees, if you have a fever more than 3 days, if you have chest pain, severe cough, difficulty breathing, wheezing, or difficulty feeling like you have enough air, for gosh sake, get examined and do it soon. Do not sit on symptoms like those, because they could be signs of a very serious illness such as pneumonia. Talking about how to get over a flu bug, I'm Dr. David Hill.